Hi everyone, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share a review of the Peesafe face razors along with a tutorial on how I shave my face. To begin with, if you want to shave your face then go ahead, do it, and if you do not want to, there's no pressure at all. So Peesafe recently launched Fur, which is their new range of razors. I love the brand honestly, they have been doing really great with personal hygiene products. I leave the link in my description so you can check out more of their products, but coming back to the face razors, the blades are very gentle on the skin. They are not too blunt or not too sharp to give you cuts or nicks. Also, the grip and the shape is very user friendly. The pack contains 4 razors, each of them can be used up to 5 to 7 times. The blades are made up of stainless steel and is nano coated with chromium and PTFE, so you can easily wash them without fearing rusting or reduced efficiency. So yeah, these blades are very durable and leaves your skin very soft and gives you a very effortless facial hair removal experience. Now, to begin with the tutorial on how I shave my face, I first cleanse my face. Make sure you are cleansing your face to remove any oil or dirt from your skin. You can also exfoliate if you want to. Now, you can also dry shave your face, but if you have like really sensitive skin, so you can also use some aloe vera gel or your regular moisturizer to just lubricate your skin, and this just ensures that the razor is very easy to glide on. So I'm going to apply some aloe gel on one side of my face and I'm going to show you how to dry shave on the other. So first things first, do not hold your razor pointing straight like 180-degree on your skin, because that can lead to cuts. So either hold it at a 45-degree angle and slide it in the direction of your hair growth. So if your hair is growing downwards, slide it downwards. And can you just see, it not only removes the peach fuzz, but it also removes the dead skin cells, and can you see the gunk? Like, it was so much by the end of this video. Also, the short blades in these razors just make it so much more easier for you to transport through your skin and reach the nooks and corners. Like, as you can see, I did my upper lips as well as my eyebrows effortlessly with these razors. And guys, if you have active acne on your skin, then please avoid that area. Do not apply razor on top of it or near that area, because it can irritate the acne. I'm going to dry shave my other side of the face, so I'm not going to use any lubricant. It's just clean dry face. Now, there's a lot of misconception around face shaving, that it makes your hair grow back thicker, but that's not true, because you are only cutting the hair from the surface and not plucking it from the root. So in no way it is going to change the structure of your hair. But yes, it might leave your hair feeling a little bit coarser and stubby, because it is very similar to how you would cut hair from any part of your body. So it might poke a little bit, it's obvious, but trust me, it won't grow back thicker or it won't grow back denser. Trust me on that. Hold your skin tight and be very gentle while you do it, because this will ensure closer shave. And can you see the gunk? Like, it's so much. And yeah, here you see how I'm left with soft, glowing, hair-free skin. So yes, that will be it for my today's video. If you have any queries, any question regarding shaving, then please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to help you guys out. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.